Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a topic that I know many of you are curious about. What to eat to lose weight. Healthy food that fills you up. Have you ever wondered which foods can help you shed those extra pounds while keeping you full and satisfied? Or why some foods make you feel fuller longer than others? And most importantly, how can you incorporate these foods into your daily meals effortlessly? Well, you're in the right place because I'm going to answer all these questions in this video. Let me start with a quick story. A few years ago, I was struggling with my weight. I tried various diets, but nothing seemed to work. I was constantly hungry, and it was frustrating. One day, I decided to make a change. I started focusing on eating healthy foods that not only helped me lose weight, but also kept me full. And guess what? It worked. I lost weight and felt more energetic than ever. So, let's dive into the first question. What are the specific healthy foods that can help with weight loss? When I started my journey, I discovered that vegetables, fruits, and lean proteins were my best friends. Vegetables like spinach, broccoli, and bell peppers are low in calories but high in fiber, which helps you feel full. Fruits like apples, berries, and oranges are not only delicious but also packed with vitamins and minerals. And lean proteins like chicken breast, turkey, and tofu provide the necessary nutrients without the extra fat. These foods became staples in my diet, and I could see the difference they made. Let me give you an example. I used to snack on chips and cookies, which left me feeling hungry an hour later. But when I switched to snacking on carrot sticks, apple slices, I felt full and satisfied for much longer. This simple change made a huge difference in my overall calorie intake and helped me stay on track with my weight loss goals. So, why do these foods help with weight loss and satiety? Well, let me continue my story. As I incorporated more vegetables, fruits, and lean proteins into my diet, I noticed that I was less hungry throughout the day. The fiber in vegetables and fruits slowed down my digestion, keeping me full for longer periods. Lean proteins, on the other hand, helped in building muscle, which in turn boosted my metabolism. This combination of fiber and protein was a game changer for me. It wasn't just about eating less, it was about eating right. For instance, I used to have a bowl of sugary cereal for breakfast, which left me hungry by mid-morning. But when I switched to a smoothie packed with spinach, berries, and a scoop of protein powder, I stayed full until lunchtime. The fiber from the spinach and berries, combined with the protein, kept me satisfied and energized. This change not only helped me lose weight, but also improved my overall health and well-being. Now, you might be wondering how you can incorporate these foods into your daily meals. This was a challenge for me initially, but I found some creative ways to make it work. For breakfast, I started having smoothies packed with spinach, berries, and a scoop of protein powder. For lunch, I would have a big salad with a variety of vegetables and some grilled chicken. And for dinner, I enjoyed dishes like stir-fried veggies with tofu or a lean turkey burger with a side of steamed broccoli. These meals were not only nutritious but also delicious and easy to prepare. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I put up a new information-packed video. Speaking of delicious meals, what's your favorite healthy food that keeps you full? Let me know in the comments below. One of my favorite go-to meals is a quinoa salad with mixed veggies and grilled chicken. Quinoa is a fantastic source of protein and fiber, and it pairs perfectly with fresh vegetables like cucumbers, tomatoes, and bell peppers. I drizzle a little olive oil and lemon juice on top for added flavor. This meal is not only filling but also incredibly satisfying. Another great option is a veggie stir-fry. I love using a mix of colorful vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, and snap peas. I sauté them in a little olive oil and add some tofu or lean chicken for protein. A splash of low-sodium soy sauce and a sprinkle of sesame seeds make it a delicious and nutritious dinner option. For snacks, I often reach for Greek yogurt with a handful of berries or a very small serving of nuts. Greek yogurt is high in protein and keeps me full, while the berries add a touch of sweetness and fiber. Nuts like almonds or walnuts are also great for snacking because they provide healthy fats and protein, which help curb hunger. So, to sum it all up, the key to losing weight and staying full is to focus on eating vegetables, fruits, and lean proteins. These foods are low in calories but high in nutrients, making them perfect for weight loss. They help you feel full longer, thanks to their fiber and protein content. And incorporating them into your daily meals is easier than you think. Just get creative with your recipes and enjoy the process. Now, let's talk about some actionable steps you can take to start incorporating these foods into your diet today. First, make a grocery list of your favorite vegetables, fruits, and lean proteins. Next, plan your meals for the week, ensuring that each meal includes these healthy foods. You can also prep your meals in advance to save time and make healthier choices easier. Finally, listen to your body and adjust your portions as needed. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself, it's about nourishing your body with the right foods. If you liked this video, then I recommend that you watch this video next. See you in the next one.